So you're going to flip the rails over. Make sure the A and the B letters are facing each other and the screws are upward. And you're going to slide it in. And then you're going to take the 11-inch rail, slide it in on this side. And then we're going to use a screwdriver to snug it up. The screws, you can use a Phillips head or a flathead screwdriver for this. Flip it over to see how your corner looks. We're going to do the other side, which will need the 14-inch rail. And this. If you have trouble fitting these two pieces in, if they don't want to go in, that means that this screw needs to come out a little further. Getting these corners together can be a little tricky. I try and get them nice and snug, put some pressure on them with my hands while I screw it in. And then actually it looks pretty good. So as you can see, we're leaving one end open so we can slide in the artwork. I'm going to move that aside and show you how to insert your image. I'm going to do this upside down. You just slide it in like that. Make sure everything is within the frame. Now we're ready to put the fourth rail on. And that means you're going to put the little brackets in. Fourth rail first. Then you're going to put them kind of feel it. You can feel that it's in. And then we're going to have to tighten these up. And we're going to flip it over, see how it looks. They look good. Next we can, alright, so this, look at the top. So this is the top of our picture. And we can insert some of the springs. They come with 8. You can use all if you'd like, but you don't need to. You could do 1, 2, and then 2 on each side. And they go, if you don't have the special tools for this, you can use a little flathead, works great. So they should go, spring the arch side up. Like I said, professional framings have special tools to help you out, but they go in even with just your fingers pretty much. Slide them in. Now it's nice and snug.